The other important topic that we discuss a lot today here is the workforce. So we need to have the workforce ready for that future. So we cannot wait for the future to start preparing the workforce. We need that. So we need to start right now. So we don't have the right people prepared to work in the moment we are talking here. The mindset is quite different. So we need to have a different mindset. So the people need to have a much more critical thinking. So we need to have digital people prepared to work in this digital environment, and also a much more prepared or people prepared to work in a problem-solving manner. So.